Hey there, Chippewa Distance Learners Only. Ms. Weinhagen here. Hope you're having a great weekend. I know I have made lots of changes throughout the first couple weeks just based on what's working, what's not working, and we got super confused. And that's all my fault. So I am going to try and streamline it so that you know exactly what you need to do. So if you haven't done so yet, please make sure that you accept my invitation to a new Google Classroom that is specifically for my distance learners. So I'm separating out you all from the kids that I do see in person because it's just going to make your life easier as well as mine. So make sure that you accept the Google Classroom that I sent you over the weekend. So when you go in there, you'll go to your classwork and you will see week of September 28th through October 2nd. Now this is my Google Classroom for my Monday and Tuesday students. So that would be my 5th hour 8th graders and my 7th hour A 6th graders, okay? So when you click on the PE daily assignment, which you're not going to see until tomorrow, but that's okay, you're going to see a task list just like you have been seeing. But it's only going to have your stuff on it, which is going to make it great. So depending on if you are a Monday, Tuesday, or a Wednesday, Thursday for our class, on the first day you'll want to make sure you're doing that first distance learning activity. So you are going to look at the instructions for the day, and you are going to watch a video tomorrow or Wednesday, depending on when you have me, the benefits of a warm-up and a cool down, and then you're going to do a 5-minute warm-up workout. Once you are done with that, you are going to go to the skill slideshow and practice your Frisbee and other skills for 20 minutes. Within that slideshow, there is directions that Mrs. Williams has created so that you understand how to do that. Then you are going to complete at least 30 minutes or however much time you have left in your class period for any choice activity. The big thing for you distance learners is that you complete the linked Google form. That is how I know that you completed PE for the day. So this should be super simple. You'll have, if you go back to your classroom, you'll have 2 assignments throughout the week, each assigned on the day that you would normally have PE. So this would be the Tuesday or Thursday, or also known as your day number 2 for PE for the week. Then also, if you need help, I'm going to be available on this Google Meet link on Fridays from 12:45 to 1:45. So feel free to stop in, say hi, or come and ask questions. But if you just need help earlier in the week, send me an email and I'll get back to you within the day. One big change that we are making is we are no longer having live interactions at the beginning of class. It just wasn't working with the technology and with moving parts of me going in and outside with the kids at school. So you are no longer required to come to a Google Meet at the beginning of class. The expectation is that during your Phy Ed time, you're getting your Phy Ed work done. So if you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, you should be all set, super streamlined for you on days you have PE. Have a great one.